I'll be showing you step by step how to hide out of stock items on your Shopify store. To do so, we'll be using an app that has a completely free plan, and it makes it really easy to push down or hide sold out products automatically, helping to increase sales by optimizing collection sorting. So this free plan is up to 50 products and 100 collections, and I'll leave a link for this in the description below. To note, I don't have any affiliation with this app, but it does have a free plan allowing us to set up in this video. So I'll click install here, and if you're comfortable with the permissions, click install, and let's begin the setup sequence. Tell me to select a plan here. I'm going to select the free plan because we want to do this for up to 50 products. So next up, we have to select the collection to push down, so we can enable and disable push down feature for a collection by sliding the switch button. We can also select all or multiple collections to speed up this process. And to use the hide feature, we can click on the redirect and hide and publish link on the left sidebar, which we'll do next. So let's head to the hide and redirect and unhide. And here there's a toggle to hide all out of stock products. So if I toggle this here, this is then going to apply. Now to note, there is this days after hide setting. And if we want to put 0, this is going to hide them immediately. Otherwise, it's going to hide all of the products the specified days after they are out of stock. So in terms of the sales channel, I'm going to leave this as online store, and we can also select which products we don't want to hide. So let's say we have some type of pre-order or some notify for out of stock. Rather than hiding them completely, we can let customers enter in their email to get notified when they do come back. There's a feature as well to unhide the items that were hidden by this app when they have positive stock again. So I'm going to take that off as I think that's appropriate, at least for my store here. It's going to be up to you. I'm going to hit save, and let's head back to my Shopify store dashboard. So I'm going to see if this is working okay. View online store, and let's go and see which products are in stock and out of stock. So right now I have this outdoor camping bag at 0 items in stock. Let's go and change this, as I want to go from stock to out of stock to kind of mimic more of a real world scenario. So let's give it 59 units in stock. I'll scroll up, and that's actually saved, so I don't need to resave it again. If I head back to my Shopify store and I just reload the page here, it can sometimes take a few seconds, but I can see my outdoor camping bag is here. So now let's go and mimic if this item is out of stock. Let's head back to my product page. I'll go down to available. Let's set the new quantity value to 0. I'll hit save, and let's go and reload my homepage. And to note, I can still see it here, but after testing this prior to uploading the video, it did take a few seconds, so I'm going to wait here. So it took about 45 to 60 seconds here, as it probably was some kind of webhook process where it had to go and get alerted that these items was out of stock. And so if I reload the page, it's actually not there anymore, and that's exactly what I want to see. If I try to access this link directly, it's going to say 404 not found. That's because we didn't fully set up the redirect link. But overall, that's working exactly as expected, and it's going to happen automatically without you having to intervene on your end. This is going to be advantageous if you have a pretty large store, and it's going to make it really hard to track all the quantity items at one time. If you generated any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it can be to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations that are going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok in a fully customizable dashboard. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store by searching for it and looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description below so you can access the Shopify app listing directly. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to hide out of stock products. Now we use an app that has a pretty generous free plan, but if you have more products, there are also other apps on the App Store, or you can use this app as well. It's going to be up to you depending on the exact features you're looking for. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.